Hey everyone, ever felt overwhelmed by all these frameworks out there? React, Vue, Angular, Svelte, which one is right for your next project? In this video, I'll break down each one of them, their pros, cons, and their killer use cases. Frameworks shape how we build apps, impacting speed, maintainability, team onboarding, performance, and many more. Picking the wrong one can cost you weeks or even months of refactoring. So let's compare the big four. React and Vue started as a virtual DOM but then evolved into ecosystems. Angular is a complete battery-included solution, and Svelte take a novel approach, compiling away the framework at build time. First, let's start off with the React. JS6 can feel weird if you're new to it, but its JavaScript first approach appeals to many developers. In performance, the virtual DOM defying is very fast, but you pay runtime overhead. Ecosystem and tooling. Huge! React Router, Redux, MobX, Next.js for server-side rendering, and some Vite starters. In community and jobs, by far the largest community goes to React developers. Tons of job opening and exclusive documentations. The ideal use cases for React is large-scale SPS, teams that need flexible architecture, or when you need rock-solid community support. Next on the list is Vue.js. The template-based syntax is super approachable if you are familiar with the HTML and CSS. In performance, Vue is similar to React in speed and a smaller bundle by default. For community and job offerings, it's huge in Asia and Europe, growing very quickly, good documentation and tutorials. The ideal use cases for Vue.js is the mid-sized projects, teams with strong HTML and CSS skills and progressive adoption. Moving to the next, or the big daddy, Angular. In the learning curve, TypeScripts, decorators, modules, RxJS takes tons of time to master. Inside performance, we have ahead-of-time compilation, plus built-in optimizations yield great performance. In ecosystem and tooling, it's a complete package. TP client, CLI, testing, they all comes as third-party in Angular. The ideal use cases for Angular is the large enterprise applications or teams which invested in TypeScript's architecture. Last but not the least, Svelte, very gentle, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, plus simple reactivity with some labels. It has zero virtual DOM and compiler outputs are tiny, optimized for vanilla JS. Inside ecosystem and tooling, SvelteKit for SSR, smaller ecosystem than React and Vue, but growing rapidly. For community and jobs, smaller but passionate. Fewer job listings but increasing demand. The ideal use cases for Svelte is small to mid-sized projects, static sites, or when the bundle size is the king. My recommendation for your next project, if you need ecosystem depth and job opportunities, go for React. If you want gentle ramp up and fast builds, go for Vue. If you're building multi-talented enterprise platform, go for Angular. And if you care about ultimate performance in tiny bundles, go for Svelte. That's it. Which framework are you leaning toward? Drop your choice in the comment below, and if you have any question, feel free to ask. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more deep dives.